is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a long band front raise. To start, all you're going to need is a long resistance band, and you're going to step both of your feet on top of the resistance band. Your feet can just be at hips distance apart. You're going to grab the resistance band at shoulders width, and then pull your shoulder blades back. Squeezing your core tight, you're just going to lift both of your wrists up till it's parallel to just about your shoulders or your chin. And that is a long band front raise.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!